Hi business partner. Do your livestock have repeated coughing and breathing difficulties together with diarrhea? These combined symptoms keep recurring and are hard to cure. AMOXCOLI 200, suitable for pigs, sheep, goats, and cattle. Works well for livestock suffering from both cough and breathing trouble and diarrhea. It relieves intestinal and respiratory problems and reduces losses caused by sickness on farms. We have year-round spot goods. Stable efficacy for every batch. Custom labels and bulk orders are supported. Cooperation is open to overseas livestock distributors.